Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products on the market to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into the world of sewing and embroidery with a review of the TOOVREN Needle Threader tool. If you've ever struggled with threading needles for your sewing or embroidery projects, this might just be the solution you've been searching for. Imagine this. You're sitting down to start your latest embroidery masterpiece or perhaps mend a beloved piece of clothing, but the tedious task of threading needles stands in your way. That's where the TOOVREN Needle Threader tool comes in. This innovative tool promises to make needlework easy and fast, whether you're a seasoned tailor or a beginner in the world of sewing. Let's delve into what makes the TOOVREN Needle Threader tool stand out from the crowd. This needle threader is designed for both hand sewing and sewing machines, catering to a wide range of crafting needs. Its simplicity is its strength, with a leaf-shaped plastic handle that's easy to hold and a slender wire that's soft and flexible for effortless threading. One of the standout features of this needle threader is its versatility. It works with any size of thread, making it suitable for a variety of sewing projects, from delicate embroidery to heavy-duty stitching on denim or leather. Plus, its compact size makes it a convenient tool to have on hand for any sewing task. Now, let's see the TOOVREN Needle Threader tool in action. Using it is a breeze. Simply guide the needle threader through the eye of the needle, place the thread on the threader, and pull it through. In just 3 easy steps, you'll be ready to start stitching without the frustration of struggling to thread a needle by hand. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional seamstress, the TOOVREN Needle Threader tool is sure to become an indispensable part of your sewing kit. Its ability to thread needles quickly and efficiently will save you time and frustration, allowing you to focus on bringing your creative visions to life. In conclusion, the TOOVREN Needle Threader tool is a game-changer for anyone who loves to sew or embroider. Its simplicity, versatility, and ease of use make it the best embroidery threader available on the market today. Say goodbye to tedious needle threading and hello to effortless stitching with this must-have tool. That wraps up our review of the TOOVREN Needle Threader tool. If you're ready to streamline your sewing projects and say goodbye to the hassle of threading needles, be sure to check out this fantastic product. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews of the best products on the market. Until next time, happy crafting!